And now let's check the cost of producing. This is 400 kg. Now let's see the cost of producing a bag of this feed. Now let's do that now and see what is going to give us a bag of this feed. Now in my area here, the cassava peel here is free, but even if you buy it, you won't spend more than 20 naira. That will give us 20 times 20. That will give us 400 naira. 400 naira. That's cost of cassava peel here. Now wheat or fowl, 8 naira. Now 350 naira times 23. 23 times 350 equals 8,050 naira. Now this last dry grain here is very cheap in my area here. It's about 40 naira per kilo. This will give us 40 times 10. That will give us 400 naira. Okay, the next one is pancake cake. Pancake cake in my area here, that is PKC, is 140 naira. That will give us 140 naira times 10. That will give us 1,400 naira. PKC. Now, rice bran here, I don't know in your own area, rice bran here is very cheap also. For us here, our rice bran is very cheap. So you get rice bran at 70 naira at most. That will give us 70 naira times 15. 1,050 naira. Then we have another one here. Corn offal. Corn offal here. Corn offal is our corn offal here is 240 naira per kilo. 240 times 5. This will give us 1,200. This is 1,200. Then we have blood meal. Our blood meal here is 400 naira. It's 400 naira per kilo. 400 times 4 will give us 1,600. Then the next one is bone and meat meal here. Our bone and meat meal here is as cheap as 140 naira. 140 times 3. This will give us 420 naira. Then the next one is GNC. Our GNC here is 650 naira. 650 times 9. 650 times 9. That will give us 5,850. 5,850. Then our premise here, premise is very costly. Premise is 5,000 naira per kilo. That will give us 0.2 times 5,000. 0.25 times 5,000. That will give us 1,250. Then our salt here is 800. This will give us 200 naira. Our lysine here, lysine is 5,000 naira. That will give us 0.25 times 5,000. That will give us 1,250. The next one is our mental unit here is 7,200. 0.25 times 7,200. That will give us 1,800. Now we are going to add up all and divide them by 4. Whatever we get here, we divide it by 4. That will give us the cost per bag of this feed. Now let's get there. 400 plus 8050 plus 400 plus 14 plus 150 plus 12 plus 16 plus 420 plus 5850 plus 1250 plus 200 plus 1250 plus 1800 equals 24,850 870 naira. Divide by 4. This is 24 870 divide by 4. Divide by 4. This is 6,217 naira. This is 6,217.5 naira. This is per bag of grower feed. If you go to the market, a bag of grower feed is almost 20,000 naira. You can see with this feed formula, you are saving more than 10,000 naira from here. You can see what you are getting. You are saving more than 10,000. Even if you put all the logistics and everything, you see that you are making huge profit with this feed formula alone. This is a complete and a standard feed formula using cassava pea and other ingredients for your growers feed. Either broiler grower, noiler grower, layers grower, or any of the growing birds can make use of this. This is 18% crude protein, which is very rich. Some of the market grower, commercial market grower, is 16-15%. But here you are having 18% crude protein, which is higher than the market feed, and you are still getting it at a very cheap rate. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have any question, all these raw materials, if they are not in your own area, please indicate. And if you want me to explain how you get these raw materials, where we derive these raw materials, please drop it on the comment section. I will explain it more. Let's meet on the comment section. Bye for now. Jesus. You can see this is for growers. If you need the finisher and the super finisher formula from me, let me get it from the comment section. Indicate I need the feed formula, and you also appreciate this particular one on the comment section before I can move forward to give you the feed for finisher using the same cassava pea. When we have 6,000 plus for grower, finisher will not be too far from this, but we are going to drive it. It's a different formula. Please don't change anything here. If you change anything, it will not balance. You can see that we have here, we have animal protein, we have crop protein. Everything here is balanced. If you change any one here, you're going to change all of them. That's why we call it formula. Formula means they must be balanced. No one should be higher than the other. So if you need the feed formula for finisher, drop it on the comment section and appreciate this particular one. Let me get your reaction from the comment section before I can continue to produce more for you and other feed. Thank you.